Jaxson, and the eyeballs, and then he's gonna look all mad and fierce. So you're gonna want to put those things in your eyes that when you look very mad. Okay, and then you are going to put a vampire fang right there, and a vampire fang, and a vampire fang, and then a vampire fang. And then you're gonna put a cricket tooth and a cricket tooth. And then you are going to put another vampire tooth, and then you're gonna put 2 cricket teeth. And then you're gonna put another cricket tooth. And then you are going to put a shoe right here, like just a cut off right there, and then you're going to, so this is going to be the sock right here. So you can design your sock however you want, or you can do like dots on it. I'm going to do a stripe, and then another stripe, like baseball socks. And then, you are going to draw the shoes. So you're gonna want to do these shoelaces, those 2. I'm gonna do those 2. And like that, then like that. So there's the shoelaces. And you can do whatever brand of shoes you want. Like I'm gonna do Nike, and cause that's one of the easiest ones. And then you're going to do the bottom of the shoe, the cushion of the shoe, like that. And then there's the shoe. And then he's a devil, so you're gonna want the ground right there, and then you know how the devil has this big pigtail? Well, that's what he's gonna have. He's gonna have this big piggy tail, like that. A dot right there. That's his big tail. Like that. Okay. And then you're just gonna color that whole tail in. This is gonna be a lot of coloring in. And then we're gonna do the shorts and underwear thing. Okay. And like that. Okay, and now you're gonna draw the staff. Big staff. So, oh no. Whatever, okay. And it's gonna be like that. And like the Arizona Sun Devils, it has like 2 eagle small ones, and then it has a long one. And they all have spikes, and then right there, and then a circle, and then a bunch of, it's kind of like a necklace, but it connects to that dot right there, and then do another one right there. And then you're gonna want to color this, the underwear thing, in, and then you're gonna want to, when we're done with this, we are going to color the shorts. Wait, never mind. Okay, and kind of looks like Mike Wazowski with a devil tail. And there. And then do another line. Okay. And then just color in these shorts. But if it looks a little too short, then you could just take part, just do part of the sock off. You want to just keep on coloring this in. Keep on, and then once you're done, you can you will color the cape. Kind of Batman's. I think this is the last this cape. Okay, that is how you draw a devil monster thing. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to this video. Bye!
Jaxson,
Okay.
look.